Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to set your own photo as wallpaper for the Redmi Watch 6. Now this is also known as setting a custom watch face, and I'm going to be showing you how to do it on any phone you have. First things first, to do this you have to make sure that you have properly connected your Redmi Watch 6 to your phone. Whether it's an iPhone or Android phone, I have a separate tutorial on how to connect the Redmi Watch 6 to any phone you have, and I'm going to be leaving a link to that in the description of this video. Just make sure you have the Mi Fitness application, which is this application on your phone. Once you have it, open it up on your phone, and then you want to go over to the devices tab, tap on connect, and it should automatically be able to pair with your Redmi Watch 6. To set your own photo as wallpaper or set a custom watch face for your Redmi Watch 6, all you just have to do is to go over to the manage watch faces option over here, tap on all. Once it loads up, you want to locate the custom watch faces option. So you can either use the search icon at the top over here to search for custom. You should be able to find the custom watch faces option from over here. You can see all of the custom options we have. Or alternatively, if you do not have the search icon at the top, tap on all from over here. Then scroll all the way down and you should be able to find the custom option. So mine is literally over here. So this is the custom option. I'll go ahead and select it. And then from here, you should also be able to find all of the custom watch faces option we have. At this point, you can go ahead and select any style you want. So these are some custom styles. In my case, I'll go ahead and select this elegant style from over here. And then once it loads up, you just want to tap on apply at the bottom. And once it is done installing the update, you should see it reflect on your Redmi Watch 6. But at this point, what you want to do is to just tap on the edit button from over here, tap on add photo. So select on the add photo option, and then you can tap on this box over here to access all of the folders or photos on your device. So I'll go ahead and tap on the gallery option from over here, tap on just once to access my gallery, and then you want to just scroll down and select the photo which you want to set as wallpaper or custom watch face for your Redmi Watch 6. So in my case, I'll go ahead and select this one over here. Also keep in mind you can add more than one images if you want, so I'll go ahead and add more, just like so. And once you're done adding all of the photos which you want to set as wallpaper or custom watch face, you want to tap on the OK button at the bottom over here, and all of them would automatically be added over here. Furthermore, you can go ahead and adjust each image according to how you want it to be. So you can actually expand it a little bit so that it crops properly with the particular photo. Then you can save it and then go to the next one, do the same thing anyhow you want it for all of the pictures or photos which you want to set as wallpaper. And as soon as you're done, you want to tap on the back button from the top over here. Proceed to make other customizations if you want. So you can go over to the style from background. You can go over to style, select the type of style for the clock you want, and then you can go over to position from over here. Choose which position you want the clock to also be. You can put it on the center or you can put it at the bottom. I usually prefer the bottom. Then you can also go ahead to change the colors as well. And as soon as you're done, you want to tap on the apply button at the bottom over here. Give it a couple of seconds and automatically all of your photos will be uploaded into your Redmi Watch 6 and would now be set as the custom wallpaper for the Redmi Watch 6. So if I come over to my Redmi Watch 6 over here, you can see that it actually changes and rotates between all of the wallpaper I have set, and I can actually just tap on the screen to change to another wallpaper. And I hope this was helpful, guys. If it was, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.